In today's episode, we will learn how to talk on the phone in English. Phone conversations are very common. We call friends, family, coworkers, and businesses. Sometimes, speaking on the phone can feel difficult. You cannot see the other person, but simple English can help you communicate clearly. Today, we will practice simple English, slow English, clear English. Please relax, listen carefully, and repeat with me if you want. Let's begin. Part 1. Starting a phone call. When you answer the phone, you can say, "Hello." "Hello, this is Alex." "Hello, how can I help you?" For example, "Hello, this is Alex speaking." Part 2. Asking for someone. Sometimes you call to speak with someone. You can say, "May I speak with John?" "Is Sarah available?" "Can I talk to Michael?" For example, "May I speak with John, please?" Part 3. Introducing yourself. When calling someone, you may introduce yourself. You can say, "This is Anna. My name is David. I'm calling about the meeting." For example, "Hello, this is Anna. I'm calling about the meeting." Part 4. Asking why someone called. If someone calls you, you can ask, "How can I help you?" "What can I do for you?" "What's the reason for your call?" For example, "How can I help you today?" Part 5. Asking someone to wait. Sometimes you need time. You can say, "Please hold on." "One moment, please." "Please wait a second." For example, "Please hold on. I will check." Part 6. When you cannot hear clearly. Phone calls can have noise. You can say, "I can't hear you." "The connection is bad." Can you repeat that? For example, "I'm sorry, I can't hear you clearly." Part 7. Asking someone to speak slowly. If English is difficult, you can say, "Please speak slowly." Can you repeat that? "I'm learning English." For example, "Could you speak slowly, please?" Part 8. Taking a message. Sometimes the person is not available. You can say, "He is not here right now. Can I take a message?" "Would you like to leave a message?" For example, "Can I take a message for him?" Part 9. Leaving a message. If someone is not there, you can say, "Please tell him I called." "Please ask her to call me back. My number is..." For example, "Please ask her to call me back." Part 10. Ending a phone call. At the end, you say goodbye. You can say, "Thank you for calling." "Talk to you later." "Have a nice day." For example, "Thank you for calling. Have a nice day." Part 11. Common phone phrases. Here are some simple phrases. "I'll call you later." "Let me call you back." "I missed your call." For example, "I'll call you back later." Part 12. Daily life examples. Calling a friend. Hello. Are you free today? Calling work. Hello. I'm calling about the meeting. Calling a store. Hello. Do you have this item available? Part 13. Gentle encouragement. Phone calls can feel difficult, but practice helps. You do not need perfect English. You only need clear sentences. Simple words work very well. It's okay to say, "Please repeat that. Please speak slowly. I didn't understand." These sentences help communication. Now you know how to talk on the phone in English. Practice these sentences slowly. Use them when you make phone calls. Listen again if you need to. In the next episode, we will learn how to talk while traveling in English. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing. You are doing great.